Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Modi English School. I hope all of you are very much healthy and following all the things that we discuss every day in the beginning of the video. So which are the things that I tell you every day? The first thing, the most important thing is that you should wear mask while you go out of the house anywhere. And as soon as you come back, you have to wash your hands with the soap for at least 30 seconds, not less than that. Please also follow one more instruction. Throw the garbage or the waste in the dustbin which is covered. Please do not throw anywhere on the road. That is how you will keep your surroundings neat and clean. Also, please take care of the animals around you. Please give them some food and give them shelter. I hope you will follow these instructions every day. This video is for class 2, subject science. And before we continue, let us read a thought. Slow progress is better than no progress. So the meaning of this thought is that if your progress is slow, it is okay. But if there is no progress, you are just standing at a place, you are not at all working hard, then it is wrong. For example, if a student gets 10 marks, then 12, then 14, that is his progress. It is a slow progress, but it is still a progress. But if the student gets 10 marks every time, then that is not progress. You should progress every day. You should learn something new. That is how you will progress, and for that you have to watch the videos every day. The topics that we are going to cover in today's video, that is chapter 4, wild animals. You have already seen one video. The previous video we had started new chapter, wild animals. And in this chapter, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn that what are wild animals. We will learn about the homes of the wild animals, where they live, and eating habits, how they eat. They do not eat like us, they eat differently. That is called eating habits. So first let us have the recap of the previous video, the revision of the previous video, and then we'll continue with the lesson further. So in the previous video we had started new lesson, wild animals, that is chapter number 4 of your science textbook. In that we had learned what are wild animals and where do they live. We had seen this first slide, what are domestic animals. Animals which can be kept at farms or homes are domestic animals. Domestic animals, we had seen some examples like chicken, donkey, cow, rabbit, dog, cat. These are all domestic animals. Then we had seen what are pet animals. The pets, animals which we can keep with our family at our homes, are called pets. Dog, cat, etc. Then we had seen the images of some more pet animals like rabbit, parrot, etc. Then we had seen what are wild animals. See, here is the image. We had seen what are wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. That is what we had learnt in the previous video. Then we had seen some images of the wild animals. After that we had done the identification of wild animals. We had written the names of these wild animals in the blanks. Then we had seen lion. The lion is the most dangerous and powerful wild animal. It is also called the king of the jungle. Then we had seen different wild animals and their images like lion, giraffe, then snake, monkey, hippo, zebra, etc. We had seen all these wild animals. Then we had also studied that animals such as lions, tigers, giraffes, elephants, bears, monkeys and owls are wild animals. And we had seen some more examples like fox, cheetah, rhinoceros, leopard, wolf, gorilla and panda. We had learned more about lions, that the young one of the lion is called a cub, and much more we had learned about lions. Then we had learned about tiger, that is the national animal of India, and the young one of the tiger is also called cub. Then we had seen giraffe, the tallest animal on the earth is giraffe. After that we had seen elephants, the heavy animal. Then we had seen bears, monkeys, they jump from the tree to another tree and they are very funny. Then we had seen owls, those who have sharp eyes. Then after that we had seen fox, very smart animal. Then cheetah, the fastest animal. Then we had seen rhinoceros, a very heavy animal, very dangerous also. Then leopard, that is also very dangerous. Then wolf, gorilla and panda. We had seen this many animals and we have studied about them. Now let us continue with the lesson. So today let us learn about homes of wild animals. Where do wild animals live and their eating habits, how they eat. Let us see. Homes of wild animals. Animals live on land, trees and in water. See, animals can live on the land, they can live on trees or in water. They live on any of these places. The environment means the surrounding in which the animal live. There must be some water, food, shelter and the space where it can live. Animals' houses come in variety of shapes. See, what are the houses of the animals called? They are called dens, nets, burrows. These are the types of the homes that animals have. See, these are all the land animals. So what are land animals? Animals found in land are called land animals. Land means where we live on the land. We live in the house, so that is we have the house on the land. So these are all land animals. See, some examples of land animals are tiger, lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra, jaguars, cheetahs, etc. They have legs which help them to walk on land. See, all these animals, they have legs with which they can walk on the land. They are called land animals. See the examples with the pictures. Let us see. See, examples. These are the examples of land animals. They can walk with their legs, so they live on land. See, this is also the example of land animal. I have told you all the names of the land animals. So, which are the names? Lion, tiger, etc. So, lion is a land animal. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lions are famous for their loud roar. They shout very loudly. They are excellent swimmers. They can also swim in the water. Lions live for about 15 years. So, lions usually live in the groups of 10 or 15. They are usually with 10 or 15 lions together at one place. Then lions live in forest and roam in the forest. They roam about in the forest and forest is their home. Lions have legs which help them to walk on the land. So they are called land animals because they can walk on the land. Then can you identify this? We have already seen this image. This is a tiger. Tigers are the largest among the wild cats. Tigers are also called wild cats, very dangerous cats. Then a punch from a tiger may kill you. If a tiger will punch any human being, then any person may die. Tigers love to swim and play in the water. They play in the water and they swim. Tigers live for about 25 years. Tigers live in the forest and even they have four legs. They can walk on the land. They are called land animals. Then can you identify this giant animal with a trunk and a small tail? This animal is elephant. They are the world's largest land animal. Elephant is called the world's largest land animal. Their tusks are actually their teeth. See, this is the tusk which is actually their teeth. They have got thick skin. Elephants are constantly eating. They want something to eat constantly. So elephants are constantly eating and they are also a land animal. Then next, can you identify this image? The tallest animal on the earth. This is the image of giraffe. So giraffe is also a land animal. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on the earth. Like elephants are the largest land animal, giraffes are the tallest, means very tall. See, they are as tall as tree. So they are the tallest land animals. Giraffes have very long neck. See, their neck is very long and long legs. Their legs are also very long. They can run very fast. The giraffes have 3 hearts. Did you know this? Giraffes have 3 hearts. We have 1 heart, but giraffes have 3 hearts. Then, can you identify this animal with the black and white strips? This is a zebra. 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 A zebra has black and white strips all over the body. Zebra looks like a horse. Zebra cannot run very fast. Zebra sleeps while standing. While standing, they can go to sleep. Zebras, they live in a group. There are so many zebras, they live in a group. Zebra is known as land animal. Just like lion and tiger, zebra is also land animal. So these are examples of land animals which we have seen. Then next. So next, what is written over here? Trees animals. So let us learn what are trees animals. Animals that live on trees are called trees animals. See all these 3 images carefully. This is the branch of the tree. So these are tree animals. They live on trees. Then which is the tree animal? See, monkey, squirrel, birds. These are tree animals. Let us learn of these one by one. See, this image is of a crow. So you might have seen this black color crow somewhere. Crows live on the branches of a tree. Crow is black in color. Crows can live for a very long time. They are known for their loud cow cow sound. They make the sound cow cow. That is the sound made by crows. Crows live on the branches where they build their nest. So crows, they live on the trees and they make their nest because they are birds. Then next one we can see. What do you know? Do you know this? These are sparrows. Sparrow. Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds. They have brown, black, grey and white feathers. Then they have short tails. Their beaks are also very short and strong. See, this is the beak of sparrow. It is very strong and very short. Sparrows have tiny eyes. Sparrows also lay eggs. And Sparrows also make their nest on the trees. So these are also birds and they are called tree animals. Then you might have seen the image of this animal. It is a squirrel. Squirrels are small and have big eyes and bushy tails. Their large eyes help them to carefully climb the trees. They have very large eyes. Squirrels eat mostly nuts, fruits, and seeds. What do they eat? Nuts, fruits, and seeds. Squirrels are born blind. While they are born, they cannot see. They are born blind. And most of the squirrels live on the top of the tree. You may have seen squirrels climbing the tree very fast. So most of the squirrels, they live on the tree. Then what is the next? Next are water animals. It is very easy to identify water animals. You can see some images of water animals on the screen. So what are water animals? Animals which live on water are called water animals. Some of them live in water, whereas some live on land. There are some animals which live in water as well as they live on the land also. Some of them are used as food. See, we can eat some of these animals as our food. For example, starfish, dolphin, jellyfish, crab, shell, octopus, shark, seahorse, whales, fish, etc. These are all the animals which are water animals. One more is there, alligator. Alligator is also water animal. And dolphin. Octopus has 8 legs. Here is jellyfish. Whale. Starfish is in the shape of star. These are all water animals. Then next, homes. Some animals make homes to live in while some do not. So some animals, they make homes where they can live while some animals do not make homes. Animals such as deers and giraffes roam the forest. So some animals are there like deers and giraffe, they roam freely in the forest. They do not make their home. Animals, they need home for shelter. Like we need home to live in, same way animals also need home for shelter. They need home to survive. Without home, they cannot survive. Then some animals make homes while some do not. For example, lion lives in a den. Tiger lives in a den. Rhinoceros lives in savans. Then shark, they live in seas. Zebra lives in safari. See, this is the den of the lion. So lion lives in a den. Then what can you see? This is one more animal. It lives in this house. Then this is image of one more wild animal. See, these are snakes. They also live in their homes. And what is the home of the snake called? It is called burrow. Burrow. It is called burrow. Then can you identify? This is also the image of one animal. We call it rat. Then can you identify this? Yes, this is the image of rabbit. Rabbit lives in shallow. Then this is the bird. Kingfisher, it lives in tunnel. So these are all different animals. They live in different places. So let us write the names of their homes. So this is the image of the tallest animal, giraffe. And where does giraffe live? it does not live anywhere. Giraffes live in the forest. They roam freely in the forest. So what do we write? Where do giraffes live? They roam the forest. Let us write that. ROAM. Roam the forest. FOREST. Giraffes roam the whole forest. Then where does lion live? Lion lives in the den. So let us write that answer. Where does lion live? LION. Lion lives in a den. 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 Lion lives in a den. This is the den of the lion, the home of lion. Then this is the image of snake. Where do snakes live? Snakes live in burrow. Let us write that. What is the spelling? SNAKES. Snakes live in burrow. What is the spelling? BURROW. That is the name where the snake lives, the home of the snake. Snakes live in burrow. Then where do rabbits live? Rabbits live in shallow. So let us write that also. RABBITS. Rabbits live in shallow. SHALLOW. Rabbits, they live in shallow. Then the kingfisher bird, very beautiful bird. Where does this bird live? Kingfisher bird lives in tunnel. So let us write that answer. What is the spelling of kingfisher? KINGFISHER. Kingfisher lives in tunnel. What is the spelling of tunnel? TUNNEL. Tunnel. Kingfisher lives in tunnel. As you can see, this is the home of kingfisher. See, it has a very sharp and very long beak. So chapter 4, wild animals, we have just understood the topic. Now let's remember exercise which is given in your textbook on page number 38. Let us write the answers of this exercise. First one is true or false. We have to identify whether the statement is true or false. So please write along with the video. I will speak slowly so that you can write. All of you should write this one time. In the heading you can write T or F. So number 1. Animals only live on land and in trees. Is it true? Do animals live on land and trees only? No. Animals can also live in water. So animals only live on land and trees. This is a false statement. So let us write the answer. Please write in your notebook this sentence and the answer. What is the answer? FALSE. False. This is a false statement. Why? Because animals not only live on land and trees, they also live in water. So I hope you have written this in your notebook. Once more, I will repeat so that you can write it easily. Animals only live on land and in trees. It is false. Next, number 2, write down in your notebook. Copy the question first. A crocodile only lives inside water. Is it true? The animal crocodile, we have seen the animal crocodile in the previous video, also in today's video. So, crocodile only lives in water. Is it true? No, it is false, because crocodile lives in water as well as on the land. So let us write the answer. FALSE. False. Because crocodile is the animal, a very dangerous animal which lives inside the water as well as it can come on the land. So I suppose you have already written number 2 in your notebook. Then next, please write down this number 3 and copy the question. Deer roam in the forest. So you might have seen this animal, deer. Do they roam in the forest, in the whole forest, or do they live in the home? So this statement is true because we have seen in today's video that deer and giraffes, they do not live in the home, they roam in the forest, they move here and there. So this is true. Write the answer also, TRUE, true. Why is it true? Because deer and giraffes are the animals that roam the forest. They do not live inside the house like lions and tigers. So the next topic is answer the following questions, means questions and answers. So you will just give the heading question answers, and in this topic you will write only the answers in your notebook. Please do not write the questions because questions are already given in your science textbook on page number 38. So just understand the question and write the answer along with the video. Name two animals that roam the forest. So we have to write the names of the two animals that roam the forest. That roam means they move here and there in the whole forest. So just in the previous slide we have seen one example of deer, and I had told you that there are two animals that roam in the forest. Which are the names of the two animals? One is deer and second is giraffe. So one more is there, zebra. So zebra, deer, giraffes are the animals that roam the forest. But here we shall write only the names of two animals. So let us write the names. The first one I am writing is zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. So I will put it over here. So please write number 1 zebra, and number 2 I will write deer, 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 and you can write it in the new line. Zebra and deer are the two animals that roam in the forest. Then question number 2, please write only the answer and understand the question what is given. Where do moles live? Moles are also animals. Where do they live? Do you know? Moles live inside the holes. So what is the answer? Moles live in the holes. HOLES. So here is the answer. Please write down the answer. Answer number 2 in your notebook. Where do moles live? Moles live in holes. HOLES, holes. We have already seen the photo, the picture of moles, that is an animal. It lives inside the holes. So let us revise this exercise which we have done just now. First is true or false. Animals only live on land and in trees. It is false. Then a crocodile only lives inside the water. That is also false statement. Deer roam in the forest. That is true because deer, giraffe, zebra, all these animals roam the forest. Then question answers we have seen. Two animals that roam the forest. We have to write the names. ZEBRA, zebra, DEER, deer. These two animals roam in the forest. Then last question we had seen. Where do moles live? Moles live in the holes. So in today's video, what have we seen? Just let us have a glance. We have seen the homes of the wild animals. Animals live on land, trees, and in water. We have seen different land animals. Then we had seen examples of the land animals. We had learnt about these animals. Where do they live? The homes of these animals. And you can see the pictures. Now these are the tree animals that live on the trees. So we had seen different tree animals today in the video. Then we had seen water animals. We had also learned that some animals live in water as well as on the land. Then we had seen homes of some animals. Some animals live in the homes while some roam in the forest. And we had seen images of all these different animals in the today's video. So all of you take care and have a nice day, and please keep watching the videos regularly. Thank you.